You ready, bud?
You ready?
All right.
Woo! Wow. That was a doozy.
Man, that was a doozy.
All the way down to the South America.
South.
That was good.
All the way down to South America. I was aiming for Antarctica, but you know.
Oh, yeah, you did good.
Yeah, it was good. Tailbone.
Yeah.
It's important.
Yes, it is.
We're down what? 50 pounds?
More than that, 80.
Beautiful, man. Love that.
Yeah.
So many pillars of health. It's not one thing.
All because Dr. Mike.
No. Drop that right shoulder. All right. Here we go. How you doing, bud?
Perfect.
Good.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Woo!
Woo! Below the occiput here, a lot of proprioceptors there.